Hey guys, Chris here with Goodland Travel Agency. We are here at Sanctuary Cap Cana in the Villa section. This is a special section of the resort that has your private villas. We're going to be taking you on a tour of the Monarch Villa Oceanfront. Stay tuned. All right guys, we are here in the main living room of the Monarch Villa Oceanfront. Now this has a separate bedroom right off to the side. This is a great living space where you can sit back, relax, enjoy a movie in the evenings, and you have direct access to your private patio with prime views of the ocean. All right, moving along, this is your walk-in closet for your Monarch Villa. Has plenty of storage for you and a safe there to store your valuables. I'll also show you the main bathroom. I love what they did in here. The style is amazing with the wood roof, old stone floors, and old stone vanity. You have a double sink vanity here and an oversized jacuzzi soaking tub. You've also got a separate room for the toilet as well as your rain shower head shower right through here. Moving in here, this is the master bedroom of the villa. You have your king bed here that comes standard in all the private villas, as well as direct access to your private patio. Again, this is oceanfront, so you're gonna have prime views of the ocean right on your private balcony. The best feature about this room is the oversized private balcony here that is oceanfront included with your villa. Now you are the only ones that will have access to this private balcony with your prime views. And look at right over there, there is the best seat in paradise. Fantastic views. I love to sit out here when I stay in the private villas and just enjoy some peace and quiet, some tranquility. It's the perfect spot for taking in some prime ocean views. I get a lot of questions, which room is right for me at this resort? A lot of people aren't sure if they should stay in the castle or the private villas. These rooms are great if you're looking for a little bit more seclusion, peace and quiet. If that's you, I'd highly recommend staying here in one of the private villas. Hey guys, Chris here with Goodland Travel Agency. Thanks so much for viewing our content. Give us a call. We'd be happy to handle your booking. We are experts here at the Sanctuary. We know all the room categories. We're happy to set up your next trip here. And we also do groups and weddings. Feel free to give us a call. Happy to help you book your trip. Chris here, the owner of Goodland Travel Agency. Thanks so much for viewing our content. We offer personalized service and expert knowledge. Contact us to book your next vacation and check us out at goodlandtravelagency.com.